Oh, welcome back. Here we go. Let's see if we can get the trees. We're luber. We already changed the lower bearing. These are kind of a bastard, but that's all right. You gotta lube the shaft. Just like when you were 14 and 20 and 40. See, ooh, we goozied. Make sure we got this nice and lubed up. We need that up there. I need that, the top bolt. Well, I'm just having all kinds of camera problems, so hopefully we got that. Bars are on. Go get my bracket. Kind of a bitching camera. Okay, we got our dual mount bracket. Oh, I forgot how much of a pain in the ass this is. Oh, yay, yay. Need my 1/2" wrench. Okay. Let's see if we can get this tightened down. I made a nice spacer for these. Oh, shit. Might have to adjust this later. We'll see after we get it all together. Boom, baby. I'm old. My legs hurt. My whole body hurt. Oh, shit. I think that's 9/16. For sure, 9/16. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Progression. I need to polish the tank still, but I kind of want to put it on just to see how it looks. Maybe we'll set it on there and get a nice little side view. Might have to do a little polishing tomorrow. Oh, baby. Look at her shine. Yeah, I might just have to wet sand and polish this tomorrow so I can put it on, because that looks beautiful. God damn, that looks good. Woo! We got all that stuff on the front. Boom, shocky. Let's get this rear wheel put back on with our new bolts, with our new tapered head bolt. I really thought about buzzing this down a little, but the real question is, do I have to buzz these heads off these bolts? And the answer is yes, I do. So we're gonna take the belt sander and we're gonna flatten. Well, we'll use our angle grinder. I'm just gonna twist the ends of these bolts. Oh, we better safety first. Wow, looking stylish. Okay, now let's see how that looks. I should have threaded those. That's my bad. Oh, I got plenty of clearance now. Clearance, spacer back in here. And now we got to hit the old lower unit. Nope, still gotta go more on those bolts. I'm gonna put a little more lube on this time. What are we stuck on here? Gonna have to flatten these down more. That's all right though. All right, that should be good enough. Let me get a little more lube up on this bad boy. Lube it up. Oh, it's that time of the night on a Saturday evening where I should be trying to go on a date, but instead I'm here. No girlfriend, working on not my motorcycle. I've really got life down. I've really got it figured out. The key to happiness, build everybody else's shit. Oh, this frame, I think this frame, it said it. It came with a splitter thing to put in there that came with when it was brand new, but I think it just sucked in. The old suck job. That's what they called my last girlfriend. Old Susie suck job. Get that persuasion. That persuasion, baby. We gotta be close here. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. It's a dastardly deed. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch! It's about dinner time. That's how you know it's time to go home. When you start losing the nut. Where'd that big ass nut go? Here it is. Here it is. Good God Almighty. Look at her. Gaze upon the wonder. It's looking pretty good. Remember, it's also going to be like this, but it's coming out pretty titties. We're getting the battery on the way. I got to get the oil bag and the tank polished. And that stuff's going to go on and come off because I want to get it all together. And we got to make a list of all the finals, oil lines, shit like that. And I might just get with my good friend Bear from Bear's Highway Classics and ask Bear to give me a hand figuring out the lines, because I'm no mechanic really. Look at that wheel, brand new wheel bearings in this bad boy. The guy that ripped Jerry off originally, this is how this all started, modified this front wheel and he machined this wheel out and then he didn't fucking take it apart. So when I took it apart, it was just full of aluminum shavings. It was real wild. And he would have, that guy would have just sent Jerry down the road with that wheel like that, because that's the kind of shit that guy does. Because he sucks butts hard. Made some good progress on her. Jerry's got a custom tag that says gay for pay that we're going to put on it, so that's kind of cool if you're into that stuff. He is. I'd like to get it on the kickstand as soon as possible. I got to get the chain on. We'll do that tomorrow, on the next episode. But yeah, hey guys, thanks for coming along with us on this journey. Jerry's still in North Carolina. He hasn't moved back yet, so we'll see. He'll probably move back when it's time to get the bike, so I'll take my time getting it done. But do all the shit, like, subscribe,